Luxury home features sound amazing when you're house hunting, like they'll transport you into a Pinterest perfect lifestyle. But the truth, some of these high end extras end up being more like expensive decor than actual life enhancers. Today, we're diving into 5 upscale home features that seem like a dream, but often go totally unused once real life kicks in. Let's see if any of these sound familiar. First, we have the wine cellar. The vision: you're hosting sophisticated tastings, showing off your curated collection, and always grabbing the perfect pairing for dinner. The reality: you have 3 half empty bottles of grocery store wine, and the rest of the space is being used to store Costco size packs of paper towels. Fancy, right? Number two, we have the home movie theater. In theory, it's the ultimate family bonding experience. Weekly movie nights, surround sound, plush reclining seats. In reality, no one can agree on what to watch. The kids are on their iPads, and you're back in the living room watching Netflix on the regular TV. At least the microwave popcorn is still a win. Okay, coming in at number three, the personal spa retreat. Whether it's a sauna or hot tub, you imagine yourself melting away stress, sipping wine, and feeling you're at a five-star resort. The reality? It's too hot in summer, too much maintenance in winter, and after a long day, the last thing you want to do is sit around and sweat in a dark room. A hot shower and some comfy PJs win every time. Coming in at number four, the dedicated library. Floor to ceiling bookshelves, a cozy reading nook. It's giving old world charm and intellect. But in reality, half the shelves are empty. The books you do have are a mismatched jumble of bargain bin finds, and the most reading you do is on your phone in bed. Hey, at least it's still technically reading. Coming in at number five, the home gym. You picture yourself working out daily, maybe even with a personal trainer. But the reality? The treadmill is a glorified clothing rack. The dumbbells are gathering dust, and the room is slowly turning into extra storage for holiday decorations. The most exercise it gets is when you walk in to grab a box of ornaments. Okay, now if you're actually using these features, props to you. But if you're house hunting, don't get caught up in the hype. Focus on what will truly add value to your everyday life. Looking for a home that fits your lifestyle with or without a wine cellar? Let's chat. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more real estate tips with a little side of humor. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.